In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL in WordPress effortlessly. Whether you're looking to modify the site's main URL or just tweak the URL of a specific page, I've got you covered with clear, easy to follow instructions. Let's dive right into it. Let's begin with making direct changes from the WordPress admin, which is the recommended approach for most users. First off, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section and select General. Now, if you're planning to change the main URL of your site, you'll need to update two key fields, the WordPress address, URL, and the site address, URL. These fields dictate the web address for accessing your WordPress site and how it's displayed to users. However, if your goal is to alter the URL of just one specific page, you can skip updating these two fields. After you've made the necessary adjustments, make sure to save your changes. It's crucial to test the site at this point to ensure everything is loading correctly. Occasionally, after altering the main URLs, WordPress might require you to re-log in and possibly reconfigure any hard-coded links or SSL hosting settings. If that happens, don't worry, it's all part of the process. Now, if you're aiming to change the URL for a specific page only, also known as modifying the permalink, here's what you need to do. Again, from your WordPress admin dashboard, head on over to the Pages section and click on All Pages. In case you're updating a post instead of a page, make sure to click on Posts before selecting All Posts. Find and open the page or post you intend to edit. When you're in the page editor, you'll want to locate the permalink section. In the Gutenberg editor, this section might be nestled near the title or within the sidebar document panel. Once you've found it, click Edit next to the URL slug, which is the portion of the link that appears after your domain name. Next, carefully enter the new slug. This is the final part of your URL and should be clear, concise, and relevant to the page content. After confirming your changes, go ahead and hit the Update or Publish button to save everything. Don't forget the last step. Test your new URL in a browser to ensure it's functioning properly and everything looks as expected. And there you have it. Changing a page URL in WordPress can be straightforward if you follow these steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more essential WordPress tips and tutorials. Happy editing!